Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. Well, I get questioned all the time about what's the furthest you ever taken a bar. Well, I'll tell you how far we've shipped them. We've shipped them as far as Hawaii, California, Missouri, Texas. So this one here, this is going to be the furthest we have physically taken. This is going to Nebraska in 2 days. And it's a 10 by 10, and it comes completely apart, which I'm just about ready to do. So I figured I'd make a quick video. But this whole bar comes apart. Kind of very similar to the one we did in New York for that restaurant 2 summers ago, but that one was twice the size of this, if not bigger. Plus it had a center console, if you guys remember. But this will get a refrigerator in it. Double glass door, exterior commercial grade refrigerator, and an ice bin there. But I'm going to start popping some of the sections of rope off so we can get this apart and load it up and heading out. So until the next video, Tikikev out. Hey guys, just an update on this Nebraska project. I forgot to make a video. I know the one you just saw was me getting ready to take the bar apart, and I got so busy I forgot to make a couple videos. But so here's one now. We left on Wednesday the 8th, and we made it into Illinois, Tinley Park to be exact. It was about a 13.5-hour ride, and there's Walt. Me and Walt split the driving, and there's Liam. He's been sleeping in the back for 2 days now. So we are actually in Iowa, and then we'll be getting into Nebraska. So we left yesterday morning around 6 a.m. Eastern time, and we got into Tinley Park right around 6:30. I guess it's Central Time. So we're not at our destination yet, but we should be there in a few hours. We have 230 miles to go, and it was door to door was 1,250. So until the next video, just want to give everybody an update. For Walt and Liam, Tikikev out. Well, we made it to Nebraska. We're about 30 miles from our destination. And who'd have thunk there'd be this much traffic in Nebraska and Omaha? I would have expected maybe stopping for cows, not cars. But anyway, until the next video. Hey guys, well, we made it to Nebraska. It is Thursday around a little after 6, almost 6:30. And we got a little dilemma here. From the pictures I had gotten in the beginning, we thought this was a straight run to the dock, but it's not. We got garage doors, which we could get everything through the garage doors, and we got steps, then we got sand, and then the dock, and oh boy. Well, this is where we'll be working tomorrow. And we don't need to start at 6 o'clock, that's for sure. No. Yeah, it's a nice view. I mean, it was a nice view. Hold on, guys, get out of screen for a second. Now it's a nice view. All right. There we go. All right. I don't know. Is this? I think this is a river, right? Is this a river or a lake? It's a man-made lake.
I think it's man-made.
Okay. Well.
I could be wrong. I don't know.
All right. Well, we'll figure this out tomorrow, right? See what we got to do. All right, so we're going to go find our hotel and go get some dinner. So until tomorrow, Tikikev out. All right, guys. Well, it's Friday. We are unloading the trailer, and let me show you. So I got the trailer down the driveway, and huge garage goes right back to the dock. What I didn't know, whoa, almost fell down the step. Not paying attention here. We got to get everything down these steps here and out to the dock. So we will see what happens. I'll be making videos all along the way. So stay tuned, everyone. It's going to be a fun one. Oh boy. Well, we got water anyway. All right, it's gonna be a fun one. Stay tuned. Well, we managed to get the bar down, and oh, here come Walt and Liam with half of the bar top. But we got the bar down, got it down in pieces, obviously, and it's all put back together now, except for the bar top and the footrest. And I'll explain what's going on here later. All right, until the next video. All right, guys, we are done. It is roughly, I don't know, 3 o'clock, 3:30, not really sure, but we are done here in Ashland, Nebraska. Now, this one did not get a roof on it because, as you guys can see, it's already under cover. So it did get 10 tikikev bar stools. So I didn't make many videos of this in the shop when I was building this, but this whole bar, I may have, but this whole bar came apart. Quite a few pieces just to get it in here. And then Cheyenne, my customer, he thought he ordered a 8x8, but he ordered a 10x10, and these poles are only 9.5 feet. So one of them's sticking here in the middle, the other one's sticking right there in the middle. But it worked out really good. So the electrician who was supposed to run wiring under the dock here did not show up. So we got everything put in, the refrigerator's in, double glass door, commercial outdoor refrigerator, Berg, you guys know that's a good one. Got a nice bin, plenty of outlets, cabinets, as you guys all know, and a dry well. So we are done with this install. It was about 10, maybe 5-6 hour install to put this whole thing back together, and it was 22 hours here. It was a long drive. Now we get a 22-hour drive back. First customer at the bar. Let's be drinking Coors Light. All right. I think he found his seat. So there's 10 swivel bar stools. So this one is a wrap from Ashland, Nebraska. And if I sound tired, I am. Because we drove for 2 days and then we installed today. So tomorrow, I think we're going to stay in town just for a day, just to chill and relax. All right, what do you guys think? Let me know. All right, from Ashland, Nebraska. Tikikev out. All right, guys, final video, final clip. It is the day after. It's now Saturday. We came back to pick up the trailer. We're heading home on Sunday, and they had a nice big party here yesterday, and we took it easy today, just taking a break before we got that 22-hour drive back. So there's Walt, there's Liam. That's the tikikev crew that assembled this, and give you guys one more shot of it. But this job turned out good. It was a good day yesterday. We didn't rush. We didn't have to rush, knowing no matter what we were going to get done in a day. So this is Ashland, Nebraska, furthest I've ever been. There's Walt enjoying a no beverage. We had a couple beers at lunch today. It's what, about 4 o'clock, 4:30?
Yeah.
And we're heading out in the morning very early. So got to take it easy today, but this wraps up this Nebraska trip. So for Liam, Walt, who is the tikikev crew on this one.
Big guns.
Big guns. Tikikev out. Hope you all enjoy your day. Hey Cheyenne, cheers from the Lost Island Tiki Bar. We made it back. We literally just got back 5 minutes ago. Just wanted to let you know we got back okay. And once again, thank you guys for everything and all your hospitality. Cheers. I guess Walt and Liam don't want to say anything.
Thank you. It's great meeting you guys.
Took the words out of my mouth.
There's 2 words: Nebraska nice. You guys are awesome.
All
Thank
right.
you.
See you guys.